Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So, in today's video, we're gonna talk about a strategy that I have used in my past when I was learning trading, and it was a startup. So, what do I used to use in my past trading journey, and that I will share today. But besides that, well, we have a new setup, and I'm really happy with that. So that's why it's been like I'm not consistently uploading videos and everything. And sorry for the black face and everything. I will have a lightning setup soon enough. So yeah, that's all I want to say today, and we're gonna jump to the Google right now and open the trading view. So yeah, okay. First of all, we're gonna test this on gold right now today. So the strategy I was using for first, I started with the Bollinger Band. Yeah, RSI and everything is like, as you know, it's a tool many people use in the start beginning, but the only indicator that make me really good and used, I mean, like really made me happy about trading, that was Bollinger Band. Okay, so first we'll go here, turn it on, and the settings I have is 21 length, and the standard deviation is 2. You can some people do use it for 2.5 for scalping, but for me this is well good enough for trading right now. Okay, so there are some certain rules you need to follow if you want to be profitable with the strategy. Okay, first you should know the long term trend. So currently trend is a downtrend. Okay, as you can see, this is the downtrend, right? What we'll do now, come to the current, let's say just go in the past a little bit. Okay, as you guys can see, this is downtrend as much as I know. Okay, now this is a consolidation zone. There was a price was not getting below this area, right? As you guys can see, this is the area of support, and this was the resistance. We're gonna mark that out right now. Okay, that was this fake out. Okay, so we're going to use this Bollinger Band to in a two ways. First, you can determine the volume in the market. If the Bollinger Band is really, it's really like this, and if it's stretched like this, that shows the volume in the market. Okay, as you guys can see in the past, when price drop, you can see this stretched a lot. So that does show that there was a lot of volume. This is the medium volume, and there is a no volume, it will be like really shrink. So back on the main topic, what is the rules? So first you need to determine the trend is a downtrend, so we don't take much buys. We will focus on sells, okay, if you want to follow the trend. So first basic thing, we wait for price to touch the resistance over here. Okay, first was this area, first was this area, second and third. So we have a lot of this area, price of touch. If you don't take a trade on the first confirmation, that's okay. I take trade after two or three confirmation. Those first, second, this is the third, so I would take trade on this confirmation. Okay, I'll take a sell here, and I'll just put stop loss above this band, above this standard deviation, you can say. Okay, so let's say I'm taking a trade here, right after this bearish candle close, and I'll put stop loss above this area. As you can see, this is the blue line. I'm putting the stop loss exactly above that. I'm targeting this low, so that's 98 pips while risking around 46. So that's like 2 to 1 to 2, 2 to 2 to the watt or something like that. Okay, so back on the main topic, this was the first thing I wanted to say, just follow the trend. Besides that, the next thing I would like to say is like, wait for the breakout. Okay, this was the resistance, you can see the breakout here. Wait for price to touch this zone, does this you can say length or EMA or SMA, whatever it is. Okay, whatever you put. And once price do touch it, you can try to wait for the bearish candle, look at the momentum. So you can see this was candle was like this. Okay, then there is a good bearish candle. Then once price will break the low, put stop loss above this area, and you can ride the trend until it's below the, candle is closed below the bands. So this could be a good trade. This is how you can trade with it, but there are a lot of different way you can test this strategy. I was using this when I started trading, like it was 3 years ago. Okay, so like it was based on that, I was using the this. So what I do to determine, like sorry, what do you call, test my strategy, I do not back test like for like go and back and trade again and again. Yeah, I do sometime, but not all of the time. So I just go here indicator, and you can do the same on trade locker as well, because it's powered by trading view. So okay, we use trade locker to execute trade, and we do mostly analysis and backtest on trading view stuff. So what we do, besides that, go to Bollinger Band strategy. You can see, go to strategy tester, and you can see this graph. Okay, it will analyze the whole data by sell, based on the strategy that you can put, or you can make it. Okay, coding is really easy, because I have made a video. I'll put the link in description. How ChatGPT can make a strategy by himself by coding. Okay, you just need to put the deviation. That's all. If you want the whole video again, we can make a whole video again, no issue with that. So currently, as you can see, if I change the time frame, this graph will change a little. You can see. Okay, I'm currently $34 loss. This is not a good winning strategy, as you can see right now, because I was using in past. As the market condition change, strategy should be changed. So what I will do, I'll go to settings here, go to inputs. The length currently I am using is 21. So as you guys can see, we're gonna trade on based on either 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or 30 minute. Choose one time frame, let's say 5 minute. Okay, uh, now this strategy is useful, because you can see we are getting profit, but it's not that useful. We are having a profit, but it still can go in drawdown, so it's not that great. We're gonna go and look at the deviation, put it 3. Okay, it doesn't work. So I would suggest 2 and 3 deviation should be max. Besides that, you can increase the length surely, but I guess, okay, price should be getting better consistent growth. After that we can see, right? So if it usually I don't trade 5 minute or so, but if you want to scalp, you can use this one, 2 and 30 deviation, because it does look good. We had some downside, but now it's growing, right? Now let's see, if we go to 30-minute time frame, it show a different thing, right? It's totally different. The reason is, I know what you guys will say. Here's the another sponsor saying things about the companies and everything. No, it's not like that. Okay, I like this both companies. FunderPro, it's a really great prop firm. I have trade with them, and I think they have a really good services they can provide. So that's why I'm telling you guys again. If you want to buy a prop from challenge with them, I have a code called XKC20. You can just go and put it, and you'll get 20% off. It's the advantage to you and me as well. So that's all. That's the Funder Pro. And with the trade locker, you can they provide trade locker as a, you can trade with here on this trade locker platform. It's a great platform. It's still a beta version, as you guys can see, so don't expect like it will be a really great version. They are still building it. Okay, if you have, because I know in comment section people are saying, yeah, it's still a beta version, it doesn't do this, that, it's not like trading view. But of course it's not. It's just the starting of the software. So I would suggest, like, go check it out first, try it yourself. If you find have difficulties, if you have questions, you want to resolve things with it, I would suggest go to the Discord server or the website. It's really easy. Try to talk with them. They will definitely listen to you, because I have tried, and tell them, because I had some issue, I just go and talk with them, main owners, and they replied me, they talked with me and resolved my queries. Same goes for Funder Pro. I had an issue with my account. I just wanted to switch, and they helped me switch it. So it's that easy. If you have any questions about it, let me in the comment section. Now you can continue the video. Thank you. Time frame change, trading style change, and everything. So we'll go to settings again. We're gonna try to go to 26, or maybe we'll go to 3 here. Yeah, so this is a strategy you can use for a 30-minute time frame. Use a 26 length and 3 deviation or something like that, and you can see it did get us maximum drawdown was this much, and the net profit is current is that much. Total trade it have taken is 104. So if you want to test your strategy, you can test it in strategy tester. It's really good software, you can really use it. Okay, so that's how you can trade. Like let's say now we are on 30 minutes, we change our this to 26, standard deviation should be 2 3. Okay, now we go to here, go here, and let's say I don't know what will happen next. Let's say, okay, now I'm gonna go here, make this as a resistance, I'm gonna come back and make this as a main support over here. Okay, so another thing you can see, this is a consolidation zone, right? Now you can see the volume is really not good enough, so we wait for the breakout or something, or volume to come in. How you can determine the volume? You can see these candles. Okay, this candle is not good enough, but once you see the volume, the candle should be like this. Okay, now the break of the structure here, now this is still not the main support which is broken, right? So wait again. Now price is touching the EMA, now we are seeing a momentum and proper strategy to go off. And you can use, I was combining Bollinger Band with the break of structure, like a breakout strategy, so you can use that too. You can see this was the consolidation break of structure, now it's retesting. You can see it was a really good chance to take a trade here. If you do take it, let's say here, and put stop loss exactly, let's say above this area, right? And you just target this low, you can see it's a really good one. It just price did went up a little bit, but then started going down. You can close half your positions here and let the rest run. It could be still a really good strategy here, right? So yeah, the downtrend do continue here, and you can add multiple positions whenever the EMA does touch this area, and you can close it whenever it comes to the main support or resistance area. So you can use this strategy, it's a really good one. If you want to test the strategy, just go to strategy tester, load your strategy, and you can see here Bollinger Band strategy. Okay, if you want your own customization strategy, go to my script and you can customize your own strategy here. And if you don't know how to code, okay, it's a really easy way, just go to ChatGPT, that can do all of things for you. It's really not hard to make your own indicator and trade with it, make your own things and trade with it. So backing up, like back up with another things. So what we did done here, we just waited for the price to get out of the consolidation. That's the basic thing. We use Bollinger Band to wait for the retest, and we got two confirmation: retest of the breakout, retest of this length of the EMA or SMA, and yeah, it's now continue going down. So that's easy. Like the strategy is really good. Okay, I really love this strategy. If you want to scalp, you can scalp it in easy way. You can scalp is whenever touch this what will go out of this bands. Let's say, wait, I'll show you whenever price do get out. Okay, here, as you guys can see, this was the support over here, right? Price did went out in this band. Whenever price do close bullish in again in the band, just take a small trade here and close it like as soon as possible, like 5 to 6 pips. That's how scalping work, right? 5 to 6 pips, that's all. And you close the trade, that's all. Otherwise, if you hold it, that this thing will happen because it's a downtrend, remember that. If you're taking opposite reversal trend trade, you should be closing your positions into scalping method, not in a swing trade. Then price did pull up a little bit, and the continuation of downtrend. So we are here now. Okay, so that's how you test your strategy on gold. Okay, is you can do the same things on, let's say, GBP USD. I just remove all the things, drawings. I just go here, remove this, go to strategy tester, load with strategy. I don't need it because I have already here. I'll just turn it on. And now what you do, go here, put, it's 26, right? Let's say we put it to standard deviation should be 2. Let's put it 2. Okay, we put it 21, I guess, first. Yeah, so what do you think? We had a maximum 8 USD drawdown and everything like that. Yeah, you can see it have taken a trades here, sell here, buy here. So it's taking random trades based on the strategy, how it should be working. You can just analyze it. I'm not saying you just need to see the graph and check. Okay, you need to come here, check when it's taking the trade, when it's exiting the trade, okay, you it should be working like that. It's not like you don't need to do anything. You need to at least see the trades, how it's taking the trade and closing it. Okay. Another thing, I'm using only the based on the what you call trading view Bollinger Band strategy. I would love if you guys can customize your own Bollinger Band strategy and then test it, because this thing have a different way of trading and everything. Okay, we're gonna go to strategy tester here. This is good enough, but not that good enough. Okay. Yeah, so back on the topic, like sorry for the cut, weird cut. Yeah, remove the indicator. Sorry, no, remove the drawings, I guess. Yeah, and we are as I told you guys, you can do the same on GBPUSD, same on GBP GPY. Go to strategy tester, load your strategy, and yeah, let's come here. uh, let's turn this on, go to settings. Okay, now we are on 30-minute time frame. We have this, we go to 26. Okay, the graph is still not profitable. Okay, this is profitable on 24. If you go lower, does it work? Yes. 21. Yeah, so you can use this. It looks way better from the start. So you go here and check whenever it's taking the trade and getting out of the trade. As you guys can see, it have taken a trade here, here, like, yeah. So yeah, strategy is useful if you can trade with it. If you are starting and a beginner person who want to start trading, Bollinger Band moving average should be really useful for you guys. And once you start realizing that price action is really important, and you learn with indicators, you still want to make a career in these things, then you need to start from the basic. It's not like you should not use indicators. You should, to learn the price action. You will see the price action, because Bollinger Band is useful for a lot of stuff. Like you can see the volume. When a price is trending, it should be above this area. It's not trending, it should be below this area. It's like a 200 moving average. If you put 200 moving average, right, it will show you if it's above that area, you should be buying. It's an uptrend, as simple as that. Yeah, just follow the trend. And that's all I want to say today. Like this is a really good strategy. If you have any questions about it, let me know in comment section. And if you want more interesting video about trading strategies, do let me know, because I have tried a lot of strategies, and whatever worked for me, I have you stick with it, and now I'm trading with that. Yeah, besides that, if you did not know about the thing we are running, sorry, giveaway we are running, you can go in my previous video and check that out. In that video, I am giving away $25,000 funded account. You can see the whole process of it in that video. It will be in the descriptions. And that's all I want to say. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. So guys, thank you for being part of my trading journey. See you in the next video.